Hi guys, this is Divanshu from team Scrapingdog, and in this video I'll show you how this job scraper works. Basically, we have used Heyboss.AI, which is an app or website builder, and we have integrated Scrapingdog's LinkedIn Jobs API and Google Jobs API endpoint in this tool. So what this tool does is it gives you the recent jobs posted from different platforms. You just need your API key, which you can get when you sign up for Scrapingdog. You need the title for the job. So suppose we are searching for jobs for the title SEO, you can type in the title here, the geo ID which you get from the LinkedIn jobs page. Suppose I am looking for jobs in New York, the geo ID will be found in the URL of the job, and then the job type, full-time, part-time, contract, whatever you are looking for, and the page. So I have my API key ready and I'll paste my API key here. Let's suppose we are looking for SEO jobs. The geo ID, I'll copy it from here and it will go here. Suppose I'm looking for full-time. Page is, let's suppose we are taking the jobs from page 1 and then click here. So what this tool does is it gives you all the jobs, recent jobs that has been posted, and all the data you get here. So we can also scrape Google Jobs from this tool. Heyboss has also integrated Scrapingdog's Google Jobs API endpoint over here. To run this, you would need again an API key, the search query for which you want to search jobs for. This would be the job title, the country code. It is on default US. You can select country code for different country. So let's run this tool. I'll use my API key. I have my API key. I'll use it. For the search query, let's type in plumber and keep the country code on US, so you can get all the jobs from Google Jobs API also. If you are looking to extract public data at scale, do check out Scrapingdog. You get 1000 free credits to test the API, and we do have many dedicated endpoints for different platforms. And like Heyboss.AI, Scrapingdog can integrate with various other platforms also. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.